Welcome back to Navigate with Colleen and Nate. If you're just joining us, we just wrapped up day one of our Nashville adventure, where we checked out some local eats, saw legend John Rich, and finished the night with some more country music and some great drinks and food at Nashville's newest restaurant, 1230. So stay tuned as we get ready to head out on day two of our Nashville adventure. All right, good morning, navigators. Being a little quiet, it's pretty early in the morning. Colleen's still sleeping. I'm gonna go get some coffee. For some reason, we got access to the executive lounge here, so we get a continental breakfast, but had an early night last night. Wasn't that early. I mean, a long day of travel, and our bodies were, by the time we went to bed, it was 10 o'clock in Nashville, but our bodies thought it was like 11 o'clock. So, I'm pretty tired. I always have trouble sleeping the first night in a hotel. So, anyways, gonna get some coffee. We got a big day lined up. Got the Ryman Auditorium, and also got the Country Music Hall of Fame. So, I don't know why we said to start at 9 o'clock today, so probably not a bright idea. But tomorrow, the 4th of July, we don't have anything planned in the morning, so we'll be able to sleep in, and the same the following day. So we will get some rest on this vacation. But anyway, stay tuned.
With coffee in hand, we made our way to the Ryman Auditorium. The Ryman story starts with an 1885 tent revival led by fiery evangelist Sam Jones and attended by 5,000 people, including steamboat captain and prominent Nashville businessman Thomas G. Ryman. The captain was so unexpectedly moved by the experience that he dedicated his life and fortune to building and constructing the Union Gospel Tabernacle, a place where all people could gather and worship. When Ryman died, its name was changed to honor his legacy. When you walk through the doors of historic Ryman Auditorium, one thing becomes clear right away. This isn't just another nightly music venue, and it's so much more than a daytime tourist stop. This place is hallowed ground. This is the exact spot where bluegrass was born, where Johnny Cash met June Carter, where souls were saved and a slice of history was nearly lost. It was right here that country music found an audience beyond its own back porch, and countless careers took off as deals were signed to napkins and paper scraps backstage. This is a building where anything is possible. A soul can find redemption, a crumbling building can find salvation, and an unknown kid with a guitar can find his or her name in lights.
All right, navigators, so we just watched a video about the Ryman Auditorium being kind of quiet because it's really quiet in here.
It was a tabernacle, so I feel like, you're in church a little bit.
Well, I feel like the acoustics, if you talk too loud in here, like everyone's gonna hear you. But anyways, amazing history of the tabernacle in the Ryman Auditorium. This place it's awesome. Like if you come to Nashville, you have to check it out. The building is awesome. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I'm kind of mesmerized by the stained glass, to be honest. We've got some great video of that, but it's just beautiful. There's so much history. Nate's actually sitting in a pew right now, and
yeah, I didn't shrink.
I'm sitting just behind him, but it's beautiful. It's a must-see, I think, when you're in Nashville.
It's like a random door. I feel greatness now. So I have to say, if you come here, come in the morning because it's 4th of July weekend and there's like nobody here. This is really cool. What do you think so far?
It's great. We're gonna go downstairs and see what's in the basement now.
Yeah, we're going to the basement. We're gonna hit the B button. No, I think the tour continues downstairs, so we're assuming we have to go back to the elevator because it was stairs straight down. You could have done the stairs. She could have done the stairs for sure. Yeah, so we're back in the elevator. We're heading down. What were you just saying about people?
I just said everyone's so nice. Everyone is so nice in Nashville.
Everybody's very nice.
The Southern charm.
Yeah, we love it here.
Southern charm.
We're gonna move here?
I don't think you pushed a button.
Oh, I thought I pushed a button. All right, I'm just trying to figure out. I just wanted more time to shoot video. So now we're downstairs on the first floor again, and it's a completely different vibe. Like upstairs, it feels super open and wide, and down here, it feels like cozy and comfortable. Colleen's back there somewhere, but anyway, it's just an amazing place. All right, so just finished our tour of the Ryman Auditorium, and we got
Kind of got like a private backstage tour by the security guard. Very, very nice. We got a chance to actually go into one of the dressing rooms, one of the original dressing rooms. I think Nate got some footage of that, and then got to actually go out onto
I took just photos. I didn't want to take video because I figured with the security guard that probably wasn't a great idea.
Probably a good idea. But then we actually got to go out onto the actual stage and then get some photos. So
I snuck in some selfies on the stage.
Yeah.
While they were looking at this. What are the words? Like little stands and stuff like that. We took advantage of the opportunity. People here at the Ryman, super nice. Probably took like an hour or so.
Yeah.
So come, but I would do the self-guided tour because honestly, you could just chill out. And again, come first thing in the morning because that's there was like no one here. It's starting to get really busy now. So if you want to kind of enjoy it and take it in, come early.
And one thing I want to note too is everyone's really passionate that works here. They love where they work, they love what they do, they love the history and the beauty of the place. So it kind of adds a little bonus to the tour, I thought.
So we headed out of the Ryman to check out even more live music before heading to Blake Shelton's Ole Red. We took to the rooftop bar known as The Lookout and had ourselves a wonderful lunch. Highly recommend this place, especially the fried bologna sandwich with homemade tater tots. A great place to check out some people, listen to some live music, and take in the great views of downtown Nashville. With lunch finished, we made our way down to the Country Music Hall of Fame. This is a great place to learn all about the origins of country music. There are lots of artifacts on display from hundreds of country stars, but there's no videoing allowed. So hence, here are some lovely pictures to look at. I will say during the end of my tour, I was feeling a little bit rebellious, so I did shoot this video here.
After a bit of rest, we left our hotel room and made our way to Printer's Alley to enjoy some live jazz music and dine at Skull's Rainbow Room, which is one of Yelp's top 100 places to eat in the U.S. in 2021. Since 1948, Skull's Rainbow Room has been the cornerstone of Nashville's legendary Printer's Alley. Founded by David Skull Schulman, the restaurant and nightclub has featured artists such as Etta James, Elvis Presley, Patsy Cline, Johnny Cash, Paul McCartney, and Bob Dylan on the legendary checkerboard stage. Skulls continues its historic legacy with a critically acclaimed menu, live jazz music nightly, and burlesque performances. Reservations open 2 weeks prior to the date you would like to dine. Jazz starts at 7:30 p.m. and runs to 11 p.m. and sometimes goes fast, so you make sure you plan ahead.
All right, navigators, I don't even know if you can hear me over this noise, music. We're here on Broadway in Nashville. It is July 3rd. Hello, Colleen. Hi. We just finished up dinner at, what is it, Rainbow? Skull's Rainbow Room up in Printer's Alley. We made our way back down here to Broadway, and it's like it's a party. We're just gonna kind of do one of these. And this is only July 3rd, and tomorrow they're predicting there's gonna be 400,000 people on this street.
That's gonna be crazy!
All right, stay tuned. We'll see you tomorrow.